2050. The human brain and body will experience various transformations. In an effort to protect themselves, people will learn to use advanced technology, focused on making the human body stronger, more durable, and infinitely connected. The use of nanotechnologies, wearable devices, and mechanization of the human body will liberate people from physical constraints. Technology will be so advanced that most of life will be spent within an immersive virtual world, all connected through our brains. All future possibilities are hidden in the human mind and body. A world that far exceeds expectations is possible.